everyone. Welcome back to our PMCC podcast, The Future of Project Management. In this episode, we have Pronob, who is PMCC consultant and ISO team lead. He will be sharing with us his insights and thoughts on sustainability building. So welcome to the podcast, Pronob.
Hi, Carmen. Thank you for bringing me here.
Starting off with our very first question, what is sustainable building?
What I have studied and going through the different journals and practices by the experts in the industry, they explain it that sustainable building is the thing which we start from the beginning. That means from the planning stage of a building until end of its life cycle. And we also need to take care of the three pillars of sustainability. That means people, planet, and profit. When a building built on these three pillars, that's when we can call it sustainable building.
I also often see the term green building being used. So are green building and sustainable building the same things? And if not, what are their differences?
Sustainable building and green building is not fully two different things, is similar, but when we say the word sustainable or sustainability, we must think about people, profit, and planet, these three pillars. But in green building, it's mostly thinking about how to reduce the carbon emission from the building, how to make it more environment friendly. Especially if we talk about green building, it's mostly focused on the environment part of the building. And when we talk about sustainable building, we need to take care of the overall life cycle of that building or that project. So it could be circular economy, and also think about the people inside the building and how it can be more profitable, how it can generate more profit for the owner or the stakeholders or shareholders.
Why is sustainable building important?
We know that the construction industry is the most polluted industry. This creates almost 40% of carbon emission. So just imagine, if we can cut down some of the emissions from the construction industry, we can actually eliminate a lot of carbon footprint from our world. So that's why sustainable building, green building, it's very important for us to reduce the carbon emission and greenhouse gases from our environment. That's why this is very important to think about it. And not only that, we cannot stop construction, because to grow our community or grow our industry, for everything we need construction, from roads, infrastructure to our houses. So we cannot stop it. What we can do, we can reduce the carbon emission by practicing sustainability our construction processes. So that's why now everyone moves into this commitment that we should take care of our environment and our people in order to make our world a better place for a better living.
Can you name some sustainable building methods or technologies?
Okay. Right now, as sustainable building method or green building method, there is several ways we can do it, and scientists are getting more and more ways to make our construction more suitable for the environment. And the methods we can use is the renewable energy, like from solar, wind, or other sources of energy, rather than from the oil or coal energy. And we can use the recycling materials, such as recycling aggregate and glasses, even our reinforcements, we can recycle it. We need to think about the circular economy, how it can come into the market and how it can go back to the factory, same factory or other factory, and recycle it to other materials or improve it, such as plastics and other things. There are some electronic AI systems which can be used for reducing the energy uses of a building. Like nowadays, we have sensors to sense that when one person enters a room or in office, lights goes on, and when no one is there, it automatically turn off all the electronics so that the energy can be saved. So there are many ways we can do it, it's up to us what we want to adapt. So it's the mindset, how we want to use it,
I see.
how we can make our living or workplace more energy efficient, and the materials we use, how we can make it more sustainable.
My final question is, as a consultant yourself, how do you promote sustainable or green building to clients?
If the client is thinking about long-term profit and thinking about the environment for their next project, I would suggest that the initial cost might go up, but in terms of whole life cycle of the project, that means when it comes to maintenance and as a energy uses, in long term it will benefit you. And there is a lot of examples around the world where the maintenance cost of the building goes down due to the installation of these energy efficient instruments, and by using the solar energy in the buildings, and also having water treatment plant or harvesting rainwater. So there's many methods to do that. It's up to the client if they want to use it or not.
Thank you, Pronob, for sharing your knowledge with us. And thank you to our listeners for tuning in. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more future episodes on topics like these, and we will see you in the next one.